Well, the first official day of spring was here today, and we saw the gusty winds early this morning before things really started to calm throughout the afternoon, and a few flurries out there. But by tonight, expect mostly sunny skies to arrive before our next disturbance comes in tomorrow with more chances of snow. And we could see maybe another 1 to 2 inches, so not going to be expecting anything near what we saw with this past system. Currently, we are at 30 degrees in Marquette, mostly cloudy. Winds are calm, and as we take a look at the rest of the temperatures across the region, 30 here in Marquette, seeing more of the lower 30s just off to our west, Lawrence at 31 degrees, 31 also in Ontonagon, 33 from Crystal Falls down to Menominee. And as we take a look over here into the eastern shores of Lake Michigan, 31 degrees in Manistee, 34 degrees in Escanaba, 31 for your current temperature down into Munising. And our current winds, they're calm here in Marquette, but a little breezy as you go over towards the east in Munising at 10 miles per hour. 10 miles per hour also here in Iron Mountain and 13 in Houghton. But throughout the overnight, most of us should see those winds around 5 to 10 miles per hour. And current wind chills, they aren't too bad either, as we are still seeing those in the teens and the 20s. All right, weather headlines. We are going to be expecting that the evening snow is on the way for Friday with our next disturbance. And then we'll have those gusty Canadian winds come back for Saturday, and that'll usher in a colder air mass, and we should be pretty chilly as we go towards Saturday and Sunday, with highs only expected to be in the lower 20s and the upper teens. And the first weekend of spring is going to be a very cold one, as those temperatures will be well below average, and it's all going to be because of this Arctic air mass just to the north. It's going to have to wait on this area of low pressure, though. As this starts to move off towards the east, it will hold up the Arctic air before it does start to push off to the east, and then by Friday it is just below us, and still seeing more snow chances late Friday into Saturday or to Friday night. Friday night is going to be the best opportunity to see that accumulating snowfall, and we should see another 1 to 2 inches across the entire viewing area. Let's go ahead and put this into motion for you. Futurecast is showing this next system making its way in. More clouds coming in throughout the late afternoon, and then here it comes making its way in. Scattered snow showers throughout the late evening and the overnight. Maybe a few flurries left over by Saturday, but still going to be expecting a mostly cloudy day Saturday with flurries here and there, and Sunday will be pretty much the same thing as well. As we take a look at tonight, 12 degrees, partly cloudy, light winds, and we are going to be expecting tomorrow that the winds will start to come more from a southeasterly direction at 10 to 15 miles per hour, and the snow showers will be arriving late during the evening. 38 degrees for high in Florence, 38 in Ontonagon, while sitting at 34 up in Lawrence, and we'll see more of the middle 50s in Munising and also in Manistee. Our 7-day forecast, as we take a look at Saturday, we cool off significantly from Friday, as we'll be back in the middle 20s. By Sunday, we'll see a slight chance of a snow shower or two at 20%. Highs will be back in the upper teens, and then we'll try to get those numbers back up in the 20s Monday through Wednesday, with our next chance of snow coming in on Tuesday.